On June 21st, 2023, Brightline held an event at its Orlando station to celebrate the completion of major construction activities on its Orlando expansion. The event was loosely based on the Golden Spike ceremony from the Transcontinental Railroad, but in Brightline's signature style, it was deemed the Bright Spike event. While covering media events and photo ops aren't typically my thing, this milestone was important enough to cover. The event began with a roundtable of mayors from the communities around Brightline stations in South Florida, along with a couple from Orlando, discussing transportation and its economic impact. In keeping with my goal to keep this channel politically neutral, I'll leave more details on the roundtable to other media and switch to my specialty, which is the trains and Bright Spike portion of the event itself. Here is Bright Pink 2 coming up the curve from the airport into the station. Happening prior to the event, Brightline staged 2 trains nose to nose at Platform 1, where the event would be held. Inclement weather prevented the event from being done outside of the station on the tracks as originally planned, so it was moved under the station roof. Typically, there are strict procedures in place to keep multiple trains from ever operating on the same track. Special procedures were put in place by the transportation team to safely set the trains up for this photo op. And here is Bright Orange 2, arriving from base camp, under the station lounges. With the roundtable complete and trains in place, the attendees came down to the platform with the mayors, Brightline executives, and Orlando International Airport officials gathering for the first photo. Brightline's construction staff then joined in for a joint photo. As of earlier in June 2023, all of the new double track on the project is in service, along with all of the new signaling system, completing the major construction tasks for the project. I should note that while the major work is done, there are still crews out working hard every day on smaller tasks to get everything complete and ready for service. So I still do have a little to film in addition to the extensive testing to come. Videos covering the completion of the major construction will be coming out over the next month or so. And the last photo was just of the Brightline team. The head two construction executives shook hands, just like the head engineers in the famous photo from the Transcontinental Railroad's Golden Spike ceremony. The end is almost in sight, so thanks as always for watching,